Hey, what's up, YouTube? Trying some new things on YouTube. If you guys checked out my last video, I'm trying to do some car white noises. I noticed that there's not a ton of them out there, so I'm going to start recording some of those. But today I just have a real simple short video. It's a random hack that I learned, and I was just kind of blown away. I went my whole life without knowing this. So this is just one of those random things. So check it out. So I got a new pair of shoes, and you know, like these little clip things that come on them, normally you got to cut them, or you know, you pull and you hurt your hands or whatever. The hack I learned is you pull this through and then you turn it back into itself. Let's see if I can show it here. You turn it back into itself, you push it in, push it back in the opposite way, and pull it through, and it's off. I can't believe I've gone my whole life without knowing that simple hack. Hopefully that helps you guys. I will try to do some more of these random household hacks or random things that you could use in your life on here when I come across them. Just thought that was a cool one to share with you guys. Hey, thank you everybody that's watching my channel, supporting me. I'm gonna get better, promise that. And now that we're getting more into the spring and summertime coming up on that, I should start having a lot more car content. So thank you for your support. I appreciate you. I'll catch you in the next one.